Good morning.
Good morning.
Here we are on the aft of the Carnival Pride.
First time on this ship for us.
Heading to Cozumel.
Yep.
And then Belize.
Yep.
And Costa Maya.
Yes. But today will be a pool day. I'll be out by the pool most of the day.
Yep. All right. So anyway, we're going to head off. I'm going to get me some coffee and breakfast, and she's going to probably get a chair.
Yes.
And eat a muffin.
And then Pat will show you all around the ship some later.
Yeah, I'm going to do a tour.
Okay.
So, but you'll see that maybe before this. I don't know. So anyway, we'll see you in a little bit. Beautiful day. What a horrible day, right, babe? Breakfast time. There's all the Danishes. A lot of nutty people. Just kidding. It's a bacon day.
I'm just not sure.
You gotta ask for it. All right, one thing about this ship is it's kind of a narrow ship. Not much, because usually on some of the ships you have 2 and 3 rows back of chairs. But you have 2 pools here in the middle of the ship.
We are actually going to the captain's lunch.
Yeah.
The Diamond Party.
We decided to go.
Yeah, we decided to go. We don't want to miss nothing. And we did see the captain last night.
But we
because
don't-
he was having dinner and we told him we would be there.
Right.
So he's probably looking for us.
And he said you better.
He was looking for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Kick us off.
All right, let's go see how this lunch is.
All right. Anyway, so we're not probably going to drink because we want to play in the pickleball tournament at 3:30.
Yeah.
So, all right, we'll bring that to you.
Yep.
All right, this is something new. This is where the Diamond event's going to be today.
Thank you.
Can we give our culinary team a big round of applause? Doing a great job here today. From our restaurants, dining operations, our bar team, making sure you're looked after. My name is Frankie. I'm your cruise director. If I haven't had the opportunity to meet you yet, welcome here. We are going to introduce a gentleman here who would like to say a couple little words. He's the master of the vessel. He's our captain and yours. Please put your hands together for Captain Reno.
Good morning. Thank you so much. How are you doing, folks?
Good.
Enjoying the cruise so far?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Really hope you're doing and that you're gonna have fun for this for the entire week. What else I can tell you, folks? You know, we do love and care all our guests, but you folks, we consider you family and ambassador for our brand. So thank you so much for choosing Carnival, and especially the Carnival Pride, and of course, happy holiday to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
I got the lobster bisque. Terry got the pork belly, and Max got Jack and Coke, or Jack and Pepsi Zero, whatever. Not sure what that's for. Right, Max got this steak smothered in mushrooms that I'll eat. Terry got steak smothered in mushrooms that I'll eat. And I got a fish. I'm not sure where he's at, but he's in there somewhere. Dessert, we got the hazelnut cake. He just poured sauce over. Yummy, yummy. Max got,
Tres leches.
yeah, that's leche, whatever. And he got poured on it too.
You don't have to change, you don't have to be one with yours.
ball time. Talk about a beautiful sunset.
Like a bird on a tree.
Well, we see here now on the lower level 800 plus, almost 900 guests dining now, and we have on upper level almost 600 been seated, so almost.
Dinner after a really long wait. As you can see up here how long it was a wait, and it was actually longer before I took that picture. Anyway, so we're here to drown our sorrows because we got our butts kicked in pickleball because she decided to play a professional. So we
the
lost.
wrong guy to try to beat.
So anyway, we're at dinner. We'll bring that to you.
But we're hungry now because we waited so long.
Yeah, we're very hungry.
We better get on it.
We didn't eat lunch.
Get on
Oh,
it.
yeah, we did actually, didn't
Oh,
we?
we did? Oh, yeah, we
Yeah,
went
we
to
did.
the captain's lunch. Sorry.
And we haven't drank anything.
Sorry.
Imagine that. Alrighty. All right, first appetizer.
What is it?
Stuffed mushrooms. Terry got a salad. That's funny. And Max got the fettuccine Alfredo appetizer.
It's actually an entree.
But it's an appetizer. You can do that. My second appetizer, clam chowder. They're still working on their first. Okay, my third appetizer is a crab cake. They didn't get any second or third appetizers. Okay, Max got the filet mignon. Looks yummy.
This is my first one.
Terry got her first entree, which is the chicken Alfredo. She got some French fries, and I got the teriyaki salmon. Can you smell it? It smells so good. A second entree, filet mignon. All right, Terry got the souffle, as she paused so elegantly, whatever that is, on top. Max got the ice cream, vanilla, of course, and the key lime mousse. I got the mousse and a banana split behind me.
I can't picture that.
Terry's playing with her food. Looks like a cupcake.
Perfectly placed. Give it to him. First down, Tampa Bay.
I did think that when we had
Here's Phil. He's trapped in the backfield by Granderson. And a good play and a loss of two.
allow them to be able to stay fresh as they move through this ball.
Terry got her chocolate martini.
Max got his.
Yeah, like that's something new, Max.
Number 13. It's early. It stinks.
Okay, another day in the books.
We're watching a Bucks game, but I got bored, so now I'm getting ready to go to bed in a little bit.
Bad.
They're losing their butts.
Really bad.
New Orleans is kicking their butts.
Been beat by the three worst teams in the league.
So we watched the Bucks game, but like I said, I'm getting ready to go to bed because it's over halftime and we're still losing.
Your eye looks weird.
It does?
Yeah. Your whole face looks like it's crooked. Doesn't it? Look at her. Oh, it might have been the camera.
Yeah, you made me make silly faces and it wasn't even done.
I know. Anyway, so we're gonna she's gonna go to bed.
Very
You know the
tired.
routine. You've already learned
Very
it.
tired.
Because she's so, look at her, she's so tired. Poor little thing. And again, no cookies. So
Oh, I
she
didn't
did
get
search.
cookies.
She did search,
But
but
I
there's
didn't
no
get
cookies.
cookies. You can't get cookies at late at night. And
No.
it's very, very late here.
It is. So anyway,
It's
we
very
don't want to
good.
ramble. So cheers.
Good night.
Hot chocolate is
Good.
So we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're in Cozumel. And you'll see us in the morning. Peace
No.
out. What?
Nothing.
Nothing. She said nothing. Good night. Well, that's not very nice. It's not a thing.